new EU rules for smartphones and tablets. Smartphones and tablets that go on sale in the European Union on or after July 20th of this year will be subject to new requirements. Devices must be designed to resist accidental drops, scratches, and dust, and water ingress. Batteries must withstand at least 800 charge-discharge cycles while retaining 80% of their initial capacity. Producers must make critical spare parts available and provide repair information to professional repairers for 7 years after the end of sales for the product model. That part is super cool and super important. This should happen after the product is no longer on sale. And the reason for that is that you can say, hey, we're going to do 7 years of software for this. And that can be on day one. And then you could have that product live for 3 years. And then someone buying it at the 3-year mark is only getting 4 years of support. So they're basically saying, no. If you're going to say 7 years of software support, that means 7 years for everyone who buys it, not for the first people who buy it. The regulations clearly lay out parts and information delivery timelines, what repair information must be provided, and includes provisions to ensure equitable access to qualified repairers. OS upgrades must be provided for at least 5 years from the end of placement on the market of the last unit of a product model. This is super cool. Why is the EU so based? I don't understand it, but they do it, and I'm into it.